Okay, we're running this up. You're probably not going to be able to hear me talk, but we've got it on the Osmo Action 5. So let's run it up. Give you like a drone view of it. Not bad. I can't tell any current. I can feel it coming, but I can't tell which way it's going. Looks like the current is sort of slowing or either speeding up right in here. I think. Coming in through the middle and whether we're going down a little something. Probably depends on water temperature too. I don't have a wallet or anything in my pants, just keys and a little stainless steel knife. Well, if you can tell, there's a dividing line in the water right here. Pretty clear. It's dark. And the river is public domain, so we're fine. So that was Georgia 520 US 82. We can walk it down too. You don't need to drop on. Oh, that's funny. In the river. First time we've been on this summer. What do y'all think? Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Wonder what that does. Is that some kind of worm? Eel? Somebody drawing with a stick? This wouldn't be. That's not either. I don't. Some kind of natural critter. Well, look at this. Okay, that's easy to tell which way the current's going here. It's going south. But that's what I'm wondering. I'm wondering if the tide is coming up, which I have no idea if it is or not. If the tide might come up through the middle and the flow south still goes, or does it all back up in unison or drain in unison? Someone who knows needs to let us know. We are curious. Boy, now that is dark black water in it. Tannic acid is what gives the water that color from the trees.